Hello, welcome back to another screencast with Caitlin. So here I'm showing you the content from my Louisa May Alcott, her legacy page. I want to talk about the impact she's had on history and literature and what her books meant to young women back when she wrote it and now. She was just a force to be reckoned with. How she incorporated feminism not only into her book but into her life. She never married, and it's very Jo-esque if you've ever read the book. Even though Jo gets married, she originally wasn't supposed to, and so as a, slight to the publishers, Louisa May Alcott actually had Jo marry a much older man instead of marrying Teddy that everybody wanted her to marry. So it's just things like that, those little actions, those little twists that really cemented this book in the history of literature. And I read this for the first time when I was 19, and it stayed with me for the last 3-4 years. So it's been very important to me. It's made a really lasting impact on my relationship with my grandmother. We've gone to Orchard House a few times now. Just today we were talking about the PBS short series that came out a few years ago about Little Women. It was just fantastic. So it's had a big impact on my life, and I'm glad that she's made her place in history.